Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to add and customize widgets on the REALME P3 Lite. So if you want widgets like this or this on your phone, I'm going to show you how to add them. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the lock screen or home screen editing mode, and to do that you just put two fingers on the screen and kind of do this pinch movement like this, and that opens up the editing mode. Or what you can do is also just hold on an empty space like this until the home screen editor opens. So now we're going to press on the widgets button on the bottom, and here you have all of the widgets that are available on your phone. So widgets might come with some of the apps you've downloaded, or they can just be automatically downloaded onto your phone. So for example, you can use the calendar. So if you want your calendar to be displayed on the home screen, what you can do is just select one of the calendar widgets. So let's do this one, the smallest one. So if you select it and tap the plus icon, it gets added like this. But you can also edit widgets. So let me just move some things out of the way to actually show you how it works. So now we hold on the widgets like this, and then it's going to add this little bounding box. So this works with most of the widgets. It doesn't really work with some of them, but if the widget is resizable, it's going to have this little like border, and what you can do is drag the dot like to the top or the bottom to make the widget bigger or smaller. So you can do it like in the middle of the screen like this. You can change the location, you can change the size, and you can change pretty much anything. So this is how you customize them, and that is pretty much it. This is how we do it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.